The Motif Phototherapy Blanket, the BiliTouch, is an ultra-portable, lightweight, and battery-operated phototherapy device. The BiliTouch helps promote mom and newborn bonding while providing the therapy needed. Before using this product, be sure to read the entire user manual and follow instructions and safety information to prevent injury. The buttons on the control box include the power button, to power the phototherapy device on and off, the light intensity control button, which allows you to set the light intensity to high, low, or off, the 30-minute increase button. Use this to increase the scheduled operating time by 30 minutes in timer mode. The 30-minute decrease button. Use this button to decrease the scheduled operating time by 30 minutes in timer mode. On the LCD screen, you will find the following icons and their corresponding meanings. Temperature alert. The light pad will automatically turn off, and an alarm will sound to alert when the temperature becomes too close to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Light pad alert. This will appear on the screen if there is an issue with the light pad functioning properly. Charging indicator. This appears when the power adapter is attached and the device is charging. Battery status and low battery alert, which displays the current battery level. When the battery is low, the battery icon will flash and sound an information signal. Charge the battery immediately when the low battery warning flashes. If the device has not been used for a long time, make sure the battery is fully charged before use. Operating time. This shows the total elapsed time light pad was on for the current session. Remaining time. This displays the remaining time on the timer mode. Light intensity. This shows the current set light intensity, high, low, or off. The BiliTouch's light pad has a built-in LED module and temperature sensor. This temperature sensor measures temperature in the light pad to protect the patient from the heat of the LED. The illuminated area on the light pad is the lighting area from the built-in LED. Before using the BiliTouch, connect the light pad to the control box. Ensure the arrow symbols on the pad connector and the control box are aligned. Then pull the metal collar on the end of the light pad connector to connect the two parts. Gently slide the disposable cover onto the light pad. The end of the cover that does not contain the Velcro straps and the LED side of the light pad should be touching. Please note, color and patterns of the disposable cover may vary. Next, place the eye protection on the patient's eyes. Once the BiliTouch is properly assembled and the eye protection is on the patient's eyes, you are ready to use the BiliTouch. Thank you for choosing the Motif Phototherapy Blanket, the BiliTouch. For more information, be sure to consult your Motif Medical BiliTouch user manual. You can also visit us online at motifmedical.com.